truck or SUV actually doesn't come with hydraulic hood support, lift supports. It comes with the manual rod, so you got to unclip it, lift it up, undo the rod, and all that crap to get the hood to stay open. And you slip, you could get hurt with the hood dropping down on you. Hood lift supports are great to have. You just unlatch the hood and up she goes, and it stays up. You don't have to worry about it falling down quickly, hurting somebody, landing on you. Sometimes you can be working under the hood, go to close the hood, and you got tools in there or something that comes slamming down and bends your hood. A lot of mistakes have happened with hoods dropping down quickly. So this hood lift support is from my buddy Alan at Kedoukj, KJ on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the video description and a link in the video where you can get this hood lift support kit. This is, I don't believe this is even an option on this Toyota, which really surprised me. So I'm going to show you the hood lift support kit and show you all the components. The most complicated thing I had to do in here was drill a 5/16 hole, which was not a big deal. Actually, I didn't even have to drill a hole. I just had to slightly enlarge a hole that's already in the body. I'm going to show this to you, and let me get this little clip so you can see this. You're going to need not many tools for this at all. 5/16 drill bit, just to be safe. Your holes may be proper sized already, but this kit was made for this car. So you're going to need a 12-meter socket, I believe. 12 and a 10-millimeter socket and a 12-millimeter wrench. Okay, guys, I just wanted to get some film of this with my GoPro. This is the hood lift support bracket system. This will go on your engine hood facing inward on the car. This is towards the front of the car. It will be going inward. The nipple inward on the driver's side. So this would be on the left-hand side looking at the front of the car this way. I put one side already on already. You could see it over there. I just wanted to show you how it goes. So what you'll do is loosen up one of these. I loosened up my top one first because I had to remove that bolt all the way. And then I got this one on there. Then I snugged the top up some, and then I loosened up the back one. So I already installed this side. Do not reinstall this plastic pin until you tighten that little tit anchoring mount up. So what's great with this nut on here is you don't even need a tool to tighten them on this little fastener. Those have got a serration on the back of that nut that will lock into this metal. So as you snug this down with a wrench from the top, you could just finger tight hold that nut and it'll start to bite. You don't need to fit a tool up underneath inside there. On this side, there's components in there that were in the way. It would have been hard to get in there, so I would have had to finagle something. So it made it nice and easy tightening it up. So again, do not put this in until you're done, because you're gonna have to first mount this and then your arm. I will show you how your arm mounts on. Those just snap on. Actually, I'm probably gonna film myself doing one, with the exception of me having put this on, which I did 1, 2, 3 with a wrench in my fingers. So, you know, usually I film stuff, guys. If it's complicated, this is not a complicated procedure. What I said, the most in-depth thing is drilling that 5/16 hole, which is like anybody can do that. Any housewife could do that with a drill. So this is not a complicated little kit to install, and it's very strong. I like it. Good product. I don't sell out, man. I don't make enough from these Amazon things, being an Amazon affiliate. I don't make enough to sell out. So if I was to get these kits with these links I provide to you guys, you've seen me install stuff on my own vehicles. I pay what you pay, so I'm not selling out. It's a good hood lift support, because I have just the one on. I could show you this right now, actually, so you don't know I'm not lying. I've got just the one on here, and it's holding this hood up. No problem at all. So Look at that. Holding that nice and solid. Nice and solid. There's nothing holding that hood up. Nobody, nothing. Just that one hood lift support. And it's holding that hood up fine. That's what you want. A good hood support. One hood support will hold the hood up in case one fails. Because you don't want these things coming down clunking your heads or taking. People have had their fingers taken off by engine hoods coming down. So, you know, that's a lot of weight and it gets momentum and somebody gets seriously hurt with that. So I've seen accidents on cars, a lot of accidents. So better to be safe. All right, guys, I'm going to film with the other camera. I just did some of this on my GoPro now. I hope the sound is better. I'm using an external mic. I'm using the F1 from Zoom voice recorder. Let me show you this. I like to show you good products. This is a good product. I have the H1N1 I used to use on my motorcycle when I was making my videos. But then I went with the ONYX UHF wireless for like when I'm under cars and all that stuff. But this is a good little portable system that's easier for me to set up. I don't have to set up a receiver and all of that. So I just hit the record button on that. And I've got my little dead cat to keep the wind noise down. And I don't want to be like one of these YouTube guys that are screaming at you. Some of these guys scream all the time. It drives me nuts. So I'm going to film me doing the other installation of popping them on just to show you how easy it is. It's pretty simple. So we'll be back with that. All right, here's the hole that you're going to mount your stud on right here. I just had to open that up with a 5/16 drill just ever so slightly. The most complicated part of this procedure is undoing this little body clip, which is not a complicated procedure. You just have to get a very small screwdriver or a pick tool, lift the center of that up, then this can come out and you can move this plastic piece out of the way. I just didn't want to damage the plastic. Beautiful vehicle, it's in new condition, and I didn't want to mess up this plastic cover at all. So you just put that back in and then push that center piece back down and it'll latch on there like that and push it down. That's it. So I should have did that after I put the piece on, but I just wanted to show you how that clip goes there. So not a complicated procedure. The other part of the kit, I'll show you this little tit here. The hood lift support will snap right onto this round knob on here. It's got a bolt head on it and then a nut, a locking nut. These dig in and actually cut into the back metal so this won't come loose, which is good. It secures it properly. So you'll mount that down there. Then the other two are going to go up by your hood hinge. If you want to be over precautious, you can take a marker or something and mark your position of your hood just to make sure nothing moves so the hood doesn't go out of alignment. You'll be able to tell by dirt marks anyway, but the hood shouldn't move if you don't loosen all four hood fastening bolts at the same time. Just do one side at a time. All right, guys, what I did even easier and quicker than filing, I took a little wires, little dike tool, and I just snipped that down a little bit. Let me show you how I trimmed it. I just trimmed the flat on there. There's enough room, more than enough room for that fastener to hold there securely. And now this fits on there. So I'm going to pop that on there. Remember, piston up towards the hood, cylinder side. So you just position that where it's going to go and give it a whack or a push. I put a pocket screwdriver on the side of it and I'm prying that out a little bit. Usually these go on easier than that. There we go. I just had to pry that out a little bit. And this side, I'm gonna have to depress that a little bit, or I'm gonna have to lift the hood. Lift the hood and just pop it on. That's it. That's the install of these. Now your push pin goes back on. push pin removal, you just get a little pick tool or a small screwdriver and pry that middle piece up. Then it lets this get squeezed closed as you pull it out. So you're just going to put it back on there and then push that center piece in, and then it locks on. And that's the job of putting these hood support lifts in that are great. Guys, I would greatly appreciate it if you would give a like and subscribe to the channel. It shows YouTube somebody's watching. There's a YouTube algorithm. If people do not give likes and subscribes, you just fade into the netherworld. All the big channels get all the views and the little guy disappears. So I would greatly appreciate your support, guys. We try to keep you happy here. Any comments, suggestions, complaints, feel free to comment in the comment section. That also is good for the channel. Boy, that really pulls. Those are strong. That hood is definitely not coming down on anybody's head with them. Those are some strong hood lift supports, boy. That's great. All right. I got to fish my tool out now. I don't think you guys want to watch that. I'm going to try my grabber tool and a magnet. Let's see which way I can get it out of there. So thank you for watching, and thank you for buying from my buddy's store there. I appreciate them sending me the lift support system to review and install and demo for you guys. So they're supporting the channel, you're supporting the channel, and I appreciate that, guys. Take care, have a great day. I think I did tell you that I got those for nothing, but I didn't get paid to promote them, to say anything positive. They gave me them not knowing what I was going to say in this video. They are not reviewing this video before it goes up. This is a video done from me for you. It's not a video from me for them. So you could feel free in knowing that if you buy these, you're not getting some junk. I think that they were going for 30 something, like $39, 40 bucks, which is not bad. You will find cheaper crap. I've seen lift supports that don't even hold the hood up. So you don't want something like that. But all right, guys, take care. Stay safe out there. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Take good care of the ones you love, and most of all, take good care of yourselves for a while. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. I'm going to put my puppy in here. I love to put my puppies in here for dog lovers. All right, guys. Let me go get my tool, hopefully. See you soon. I just wanted to let you guys say hello to Saber. She is my yard monster. This dog cannot get enough yard. This is an outside dog. She loves the yard. You love the yard, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It's my outside dog. I got one in-out dog, one outside dog, and one inside dog. 3 dogs. All with each very different personalities. This one's a big baby. She's defensive of the property, though. Protective of the property. But she's a big mush. But a killer when it comes to other animals. Boy, she wants to go after other dogs, too. Which I don't like. I got to get her to chill out on that. But they were all rescues. I don't know what her whole background was. But they were all traumatized in their own way. They don't have trauma anymore. They're spoiled rotten. We love our pets so much. They're not pets. They're part of the family. So if you're an animal lover, I love you. If you don't like animals, I'm sorry, buddy. Probably on the wrong channel. We're animal lover channel. We clean up our antifreeze and all that other kind of crap. Right, Wendy?
That's right.
Wendy's definitely an animal lover. So, that's enough dog time. That was the intermission break.